How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. I know, same clothes as the past 3 videos, but I'm riding around trying to get things done because it's rained for the last week and a half, and finally, look, no rain. Beautiful, as a matter of fact, 57 degrees. But what I want to talk to you about today is a channel idea that I have, and I'm going to go ahead and put the link in the description box below, so you'll know where to go and all that good stuff. And I don't know, it's just an idea, so let's see what you think.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Now the idea for this is I have 2 channels. I've always had 2 channels. I just never show the other one any attention or love or anything like that. But it was my original channel, and then I developed Camaro Time from that, and I just left that one hanging in the breeze, if you will. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename the channel, and it's going to be called Riding and Rambling. And what the channel is about is topics. Just we'll be riding out through the countryside or around the block, whatever, and we'll be talking about anything and everything. It can be anything from the current situation in the elections to building a chicken coop, how to work on a car, what I think about new cars coming out, what I think about the weather, the year in general, whatever you want to talk about. And I will always ask for your input. You know, put whatever you would like to talk about, hear my opinion about, because I get comments all the time. What do you think about this? What do you think about that? And I really don't like putting that on my regular channel, because I try to keep my channel, you know, pretty much car content related. So I try to keep it car content related. And with that said, that does not allow me any other areas to discuss other things. Like I get a lot of questions. What do you think about this? What do you think about that? And I just really do not want to answer those types of questions on this channel. So I'm going to change the other channel name, like I said, to Riding and Rambling. And all it's going to be is me riding and talking. You might see the camera handheld like this. You might see it mounted on the windshield looking back at me. Depending on what car I'm in, it might be the other window, it might be sunroof. But you will get to see a lot of the countryside, a lot of the area where I live. Just like this. I might just video the whole thing and talk as we drive from the windshield. I might have you mounted to the roof. And in that case, I will do a voiceover. But, you know, it's just, like I said, it's just something different that I'm trying. A lot of people actually want to hear what I have to say for some reason. So with that said, I'm going to end that with that. And like I said, if you care, if you think about it, if you like the idea, if you'd like to support that channel like you do this channel, if you'd like to discuss any topic, like I said, anything, does not matter what it is, political, anything, does not matter. Cars, trucks, motorcycles, banking, whatever you want to talk about, it's all fair game. So with that said, I'm going to leave you with that, and if you don't mind, come over and check out the channel and see what you think. You know, give me a few ideas what you would like to talk about, what you would like to hear about, and we'll see you there. Thanks so much for watching.